Yeah, was Abala. Give her a gate in Ghana. And then Naman Ime, Ganya Bagdalang gate. Here, one on the Becan and then around on go black and Yapogande you to Dotha Shimobe. I know how I was Rocha, and where Haniji, and Yaji Hebe, and Yaji who nothing. And in the Bublaka, Ejiha, Ejeba, Bala. So I have Haniku go queer. Ndị nama n'ime nga he fence atụrụ adụ ọgba chigide gate ndị heba aba akụtuo ya walenu nna hụla nnama lenu nnama he ime fence mmanụ he ime fence mmanụ he nnama
youth progress build a youth, build a nation. Scatter the youth, scatter the nation. Empower the youth, empower the nation. No youth, no nation. Because His Excellency.
All right, so this one and waiting to happen for Abo Mbaise in Imo State. The people of this community, they has a message for the governor of Imo State, their local government chairman, in fact, to all the political leaders and even the people of Abo Mbaise. And it is about the menace, all the atrocities, all the destructions where Fulani herdsmen they commit for this community. I want you to watch the video, listen to them, and hear what they has to say. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you.
Yeah, was Abala. Give her a gate in Ghana. And then Naman Ime, Ganya Bagdalang gate. Here, one on the Becan and then around on go black and Yapogande you to Dotha Shimobe. I know how I was Rocha, and where Haniji, and Yaji Hebe, and Yaji who nothing. And in the Bublaka, Ejiha, Ejeba, Bala. So I have Haniku go queer. Ndị nama n'ime nga he fence atụrụ adụ ọgba chigide gate ndị heba aba akụtuo ya walenu nna hụla nnama lenu nnama he ime fence mmanụ ime fence mmanụ he nnama japụ niile napụ ndị mmanụ gbajiri gbucha ya he japụ ndị mmanụ gbajiri na fọnụ nga ahụ he japụ ndị mmanụ gbajiri gbuchicha ya agbakwara nga fence o gbanna hụla na ndị nnama mega anyị nọ n'ugbula ka anyị agbakọrọ nna enwe ebe anyị ji enwe mma anyị ji amanụ ma nwa bịa ugbula ka anyị ama ihe anyị na gị imeni ọha anyị shanye isi nnụ gbanna hụrụ ọha lere o ọha lere o ya wụ ndị ke na ara abịaga ha abịaga a na-ahụla ha anya hụ ebe
Youth progress. Build a youth, build a nation. Scatter the youth, scatter the nation. Empower the youth, empower the nation. No youth, no nation. Because His Excellency, the Executive Chairman of Abo Mbaise, in the person of Barrister Ikume Alaribe, we greet you, sir, with due respect. We are trying to convey to you what we experienced this morning in our community. Today, our mothers, our sisters, our wives, they went to farm this morning, but surprisingly to us, they ran back to their various homes, giving us the reason that unknown persons, hoodlums, chased them away from their farm. So we immediately coordinate ourselves, the youth, as you can see, collaboration of the security of Abo. We have combed right round our bush, starting from the university side, leading to the road to our stream. We trekked a link way to Umogo Amozo in search of these hoodlums. As we are speaking, we had information that they have taken the road leading to Umukabe. We are still inside the bush, searching for them. And we have taken it within ourselves that no matter what happens, we must get to the root of this. CSO, you are here. You can as well say more about this, what you have experienced this morning. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, my able president. This is a youth president of Obovro. I am the Chief Security Officer of Obovro and also the SA to the local government chairman. Executive Chairman, please, this is Obovro. It happened that we are in a very strategic position in Abo Mbaise. We have a common boundary with Ohekelem. We have a common boundary with Amasa. And we have a common boundary with Amuzu, Mwenkwo, Abuzu Mwafo. Around these communities, we divided ourselves into three. As we are speaking here now, other groups are at our boundary with Ohekelem. Right now, we have covered our boundary with Amasa. We combed all the bush that related us with Umohi, Omukabe, and the Opala. So here we are now is our boundary with Amuzu Mwenkwo. We are now moving straight to these places. This morning, some group of herdsmen came here and chased away the women that come to farm this morning. And the community youth president got the information. He contacted the security, and that is why we are here now, sir. Please, sir, we are calling on you to come and help us to beef up the securities in these villages. We stand in a very strategic position in Abo Mbaise. This road we are here now is their exit. Yes. Anytime they are coming from, both from Ife, all side of Mbaise, they will come to Amuzu. From Amuzu here, this road you are seeing here now leads straight to Ngopala, to Anoyopala. So please, sir, we are calling on you to come into our rescue. Yes. We need to defend ourselves. Notwithstanding the pressure, the youth are suffering a lot, keeping late night, looking at the roads and everywhere. And as I'm talking to you, I've called the Sariki of Imo State. He's here to pick his call. I want to give him the information that he should please talk to the headers that is here. We don't want them anymore. They don't come here, they will come here and rape our women, rape our girls, rape our mothers, destroy the farmlands in the name that they are feeding their cows. So we don't want them any longer in this community. Please use your good office, please, sir, to contact the Sariki of Imo State. I will also call him to let him know that this community, we don't want their herdsmen any longer in this place because they are killing our people. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you, and sir. God bless you. God bless Abo Mbaise. God bless Imo State. God bless Nigeria.
You are welcome.